Howdy folks, welcome back to another edition of Will She Run. Got here for you today is a Craftsman 6.5 horsepower 22-inch mower, mulch and side discharge, front wheel drive. In my Redneck Shopping Emporium I picked it up. The only thing I found wrong with it so far is the engine brake cable was seized. But I just popped the spring off from right here that connects to right here. And that's a spring over here. Hey, this little spring. Just pop that sucker off. And shut it on and off, and just took a piece of wire, hooked it like that. Had to replace the starter rope because it broke. Had to redneck a new starter rope onto it, but it works. And yeah, let's see if she runs. I'll just hold it. Well, how about that? Now it needs probably a new air filter, but she runs. Stay tuned for another episode, folks. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Questions or comments, put it below the video. And as always, don't forget to subscribe. Thank y'all for watching. Hope you have a good one. There's dirt here on this. Alright. See you later.